Yes, it's time for us to add one of the most popular characters from Bob's Burgers to our illustrative collection, and that is Tina. Hi, Mr. Fishoder. You can go. Tina is troubled, isn't she? She obsesses over things. She has a lot of heartache. She's a hopeless romantic. She's obsessed with rainbows and horses and zombies and writing interesting fiction and, well, bums. Time to ink, Tina. Gotta get that big round mop of hair in there. And the glasses, oh, they've gone a bit wonky. I'll have to sort that out in a minute. But otherwise, all is Tina-rific at the moment. Right? Right? Who's your favourite from Bob's Burgers? Do you know who mine is? Let me know in the comments below both those things. So Tina's the eldest of the children of the Belcher family. I think normally the most sensible, but not always. She gets carried away with things sometimes. But yeah, generally the voice of reason, shall we say, amongst the youngsters. She has a good heart and likes to help out. Yeah, I think she's looking really teenery now. This is coming together very nicely. Nice bit of a highlight on top of the head there. Yeah, I think that's topped it up pretty nicely. Here she is. See you next time.